My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Mercedes GLC. This car has done 13,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission. It is a diesel vehicle. As we approach the boot, you can see that it's electric. GLC comes with a virtual cockpit, so by pressing this home button and using this button we can get quick access to trip, navigation, radio and media. We also have a touchpad, so by pressing home you can get features such as navigation, radio, media, comfort, which allows us to change the brightness and colour of the vehicle. We also have Mercedes Me and apps, as well as the vehicle settings. We have heated seats on either side. And if we put it in reverse, we can see that we have a parking camera with parking sensors. And as we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.